Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to change out a PGJ Hunter 4-inch rotor sprinkler. Move a little bit of grass out of the way here. Try to dig in the dirt a little bit out. You can do that with your finger in this situation, or you can use a shovel. But just to get enough off the top of this, it should be about like right here. And then what you want to do is you want to get your channel locks. Put about right here, like that, and just kind of move it a little bit. What you're doing is you're kind of molding the dirt that's around it so it won't collapse. Okay? You don't want to get any dirt inside the might have to go down a little bit more dirt here. Kind of get some of this debris out of the way. Grass. Okay. All right. Then we're going to turn it. Okay. Still want to, as we're going up, we still kind of want to mold it. You know, we're kind of going back and forth to push the dirt on the sides. See, there's a little dirt that might fall in, so we're going to get that a little clearer. So we're going up now. Do a little bit more. A little bit more. We're screwing up a little more. As we're screwing this up a little more, just back and forth a little bit. It's almost there. Not quite yet, but almost. Do a little more as you're going up. Continue to go back and forth so you're molding your dirt there, not so it doesn't collapse. Okay, now it's going to come up. See? See? You left that hole in there, so you can just slide your pop-up right back in there. Now see, one of the important things I want to point out is that you want to make sure that you have the same sprinkler, because it's going to have to fit right in there and you don't want it to be any higher or any lower. Okay, so more important to get the same thing, or if it's going to get something very equivalent, if it's a different brand, make sure it's the same height and width. Okay, so we'll just put that right back in there like that. Just screw that right back in down like this. And that's it, folks, just like that. Now, you might not want to screw it completely tight at this point because you still need to make the adjustment. So you might have to turn it a little bit more. So you want to have that turning space if you need to do that. But it's pretty tight in there, nothing's going to go in. But still, like I said, you want to have that little turning space left. So when you do adjust it, you can turn it a little more if you need to.